Hey guys, this is Judy from judinkanailart. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have another of my weekly stamping nail art tutorial videos for you. This week through our stamping Facebook group we are doing some mini swaps, and this is being organized by Francis from Dolphin Chick Nails. And guess what? I was lucky enough and actually got her to be my secret money swap person. So I was stalking her Instagram account, and of course she is regularly joining these collabs through our Facebook group, so I had a lot of inspiration to choose from, but I decided to go with the manicure that I will try to post for you somewhere in the corner. That way you see what my inspiration was. So thank you so much, Francis, for getting us all together and bringing back the mani swap theme. I always really enjoy it, and it is always so much fun, especially because you don't know who you will get for your mani swap. I will show you in today's video which the mani that I recreated for this collab. Of course, at the end of the video you will have all the pictures to all of the ladies who participated and we recreated each other's manicures, and in the description box you will have the links to their video tutorials. Please go over there after you watch my video and show them some love. If you do like this type of videos, then don't forget to hit the thumbs up for me. And of course, if you are new here or coming from the other channels that are participating in today's mani swap collab, then welcome. And I do hope you will like what you see on my channel and you will hit the subscribe button before you leave. Alright guys, so let's jump into the tutorial itself. Thank you so much for being here today. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I will be back with some more soon. Thank you. Bye bye.